In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Wix account. Before we start, make sure you're already logged into your Wix account in a web browser. It's easier to follow along on a desktop or laptop because the options we'll use are usually found in the top navigation bar. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the Wix dashboard. There you'll see your profile icon. This might appear as your picture, your initials, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with options related to your account and settings. From that menu, you want to find and open your account settings page. On the account settings screen, scroll until you see the option that refers to closing or deleting your account. It may be under a section related to security, privacy, or account management. Click on the link or button that says Close Your Account. When you open this page, Wix will usually show some information about what closing your account actually means. Take a moment to read any warnings or notes. This is important because closing your account can affect your websites, any connected domains, premium plans, or apps tied to that account. If you have anything you want to keep, such as content or design elements, you may want to back them up or make copies before you continue. On the Close Account page, you'll be asked to fill in a few details. This might include confirming your email address, choosing a reason for leaving from a list, or writing a short explanation. Answer these questions honestly. They're mainly for feedback and to confirm that you really want to proceed. Make sure all required fields are filled out correctly so you don't run into any errors when you submit. After you've completed the details, review everything one more time. When you're sure you're ready, look for the button that confirms the action, usually labeled Close Account. Click that button. Wix may ask you one final time to confirm, just to be certain you understand this is permanent or difficult to reverse. Confirm if you're sure. Once that's done, your Wix account will begin the closing process. Depending on Wix's current policies, some data may be removed immediately, while other elements might be scheduled